Hello, bronies. Yeah, it's been a long time, and here's my puppet. Hello! Yeah, my Ever Kermit the Frog failed horribly, because I was voice acting it, and this one I'm actually not. Yeah, it is not lying. Yeah, totally not. Yeah, it's been a long time, and I know that. Oh God! Oh, okay. The battery. Okay. The battery was just saying 4%. Yeah. Bye, bronies. Hope you like my puppet. Yeah, I'm not a puppet. You loser. Who said I'm a loser? Uh-oh. Ah! Okay, he just ran away. Right, bye. Bye. And make sure to leave a like and comment.